This tutorial will demonstrate how to verify if a current meet or doesn't meet functionally accessible or PROWAG requirement in the respective dashboard. Both dashboards work the same. Let's start using PROWAG dashboard. On the dashboard, type in the search bar the address of your ramp. In this case, we can use Redland. The dashboard will show you different colors, like red means doesn't meet PROWAG, green means meet PROWAG, yellow means the ramp has a variance document, or gray, the ramp need an inspection. If the ramp is in green or yellow, you don't have to do anything. But if the ramp is on red, you need to identify why it is on red. On the following video, I will show you how to do it.